Hi, my name is Deja.
And I'm Mike.
We're the Union Gospel, a band from Brooklyn, New York.
We perform regularly in the subways in New York City.
Once a week we record one of our favorite songs for this,
the Subway Series.
One, two, three, four.
This is fucking serious shit. Do not make games out of this.
I'll make you lick my